Once upon a time, in a peaceful meadow at the heart of the jungle, lived three best friends, Zara the zebra, Danny the deer, and Mia the mighty giraffe. They played together every day, their laughter filling the air. One sunny morning, while munching on juicy leaves, Mia the giraffe had a curious idea. She suggested, "Hey, why don't we have a friendly contest to see who can divide things the best?" Excited about the contest, Zara, Danny, and Mia decided to divide a basket of colorful fruits. They found apples, bananas, and oranges. The challenge was set. They had to divide the fruits fairly among themselves. Zara, the quick thinker, came up with a plan. She counted the fruits and said, "We have 12 fruits in total. How about each of us takes 4 fruits? That way, it's fair for everyone." Zara's idea seemed fair and square. Danny, the thoughtful deer, pondered for a moment. He said, "Well, we're 3 friends. Why don't we divide the fruits equally so that we each get 3 of each type? That sounds fair too." His idea made everyone nod in agreement. Mia, with her head held high, suggested another way. She smiled and said, "Since I'm the tallest, I can reach the top branches where the juiciest leaves are. How about I take the apples from the top, Zara takes the oranges from the middle, and Danny collects the bananas from the bottom?" Everyone giggled at Mia's tall order but loved her creative idea. The 3 friends thought about the options: Zara's equal distribution, Danny's equal sharing, and Mia's specific roles. They realized that every method had its own uniqueness and fairness. In the end, they decided not to declare a winner. They embraced the fact that their diverse ideas made them stronger as a team. The real treasure was their friendship, not who could divide the fruits the best. From that day on, whenever they faced a challenge, they remembered the fruit-sharing contest and used their different ways of thinking to come up with creative solutions. They understood that different perspectives could lead to amazing results. As the stars appeared in the sky, the friends lay down in the meadow, looking up at the constellations. The jungle was filled with the laughter and friendship of Zara the zebra, Danny the deer, and Mia the mighty giraffe. The end of the story. Thanks for watching. For more stories, subscribe Danyal Haider Cartoons for Kids YouTube channel Tana.